Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So if you are looking for a way to make money with Royal IQ, maybe you are a beginner on this crypto trading, or maybe an expert in crypto trading, you still need this. There is no profit in just trading cryptocurrency manually, and by the time you just trade these coins, you forgot to put some stop loss and everything just go deep and down. But this Royal IQ I'm talking about, buy for you when the price is low and then sell for you when the price is high, which means it take profits. There is no loss in this crypto IQ. So the next video I'm going to show you, it's about a man that make over 30,000 naira in just 2 weeks of starting, just investing the maybe like total amount of $100, and he gained like almost 60% of his first investment. So we normally promise in our group, normally promise 20 to 30 return on investment. This is ROI that you invest in the goods. Maybe in select some coins, we promise that will return maybe 20 to, not us, is the boat that is working. Okay, you are not giving your money to anyone. The money is inside your account. So this boot will buy for you at low price and they sell for you at high price. Okay, so the next video is about the man which I'm going to show you, which I said before, how this man earned just 30,000 with just investment of $100, which is like 56,000 in crypto markets. That is 56,000 and gain return of 30,000 naira. So just watch in this video, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So let's get to that.
Capital with $100, and to my surprise, that was on the 19th. I would like to show you my account for you to see this is real. I never believed this thing until it is happening to me as well. I will open my account for you to see. I started on the 19th of last month. Can you see? And that same day I was able to make 38 cents, like play, and I have made 62%. And this people only promised me 10 to 50%. Now I believe this royalty is real. I need to add more money. Now for you to know that this is real, this is not paper money, let me take you to my Binance account so that you can see what is there. Can you imagine? See my USDT balance. Now I started with $100 capital. Hey, this Royal Q now bless her. I am, in fact, in the whole city of Ibadan move, because I was like, then on the 20, I see that it increases to 22 cents, $2.30, and I'm like, this thing is real. But to my greatest surprise, 21, 22, 23, throughout the month till today, 5th of October, I didn't make anything. Unknowing to me, I never knew that the robot was buying deep the coin for me. As the coin was going down, the more it was buying. Now, just this morning when the coin rises up, see what I have made. $59 over $100 capital. This is crazy. I never would have believed this. This Royal Q is real, is genuine. Now see my total cumulative profit, $62 over $100 in just 2 weeks. I started on the 19th. Can you see? Today is 5th. That's 16 days. 2 weeks plus. I will tell all my people, even my pastors, my church members must know about this. This is a blessing. If you have heard of Royal Q and you are thinking it's a lie, me, I thought it was a lie, but na lie, it don't turn true now. Royal Q is a blessing. I am super excited this morning. Thank you, the people that come to Ibadan. I love you guys. More blessing to your pockets. God bless you.
So thank you for watching. So if you want to join this crypto, make money with crypto right now, there is a link in the description below. You can contact me directly, which I will put you through like 100% through. You don't have to pay me anything. I will put you 100% through and also give you access, which is bonus access to our premium. Like if you want to trade manually, So we have a signal group like manually that analyze coins for us. Like this group is comprised of many experts that you like. I just love working with this Royal IQ. Like everything is just working. It's just working. Maybe within a week, I'm just doing my own again. Like maybe like $32, like just $32. I don't even know how to do it. I just select these coins and everything just started bumping. So you might want to get into this thing before it's too late. Okay, so the money you are using to buy, so those money that you guys are using to buy shoes, buy a big cloth, like expensive ones, so why don't you invest this kind of thing in crypto and like gain your ROI back? Like this thing is so sweet, so why wouldn't you invest in this thing? Okay, so nobody is taking your money away. Your money is going to be on your Binance account, which will be auto trading itself. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Thank you. Have a nice day.